Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the unlocked motherboard replacement for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus US version. Specifically, this is the 12GB RAM, 256GB storage variant. If you got a Note 10 Plus that's bricked, has a faulty motherboard, or you're just looking to revive an old device, this could be a lifesaver. First impressions are positive. The board itself looks clean and well-made. It's constructed from a premium PCB material, which inspires confidence in its durability. The manufacturer, Sysiglo, claims it's resistant to damage and built for longevity, which is definitely what you want in a replacement part like this. Installation is key with any motherboard replacement. Sysiglo explicitly states that professional installation is recommended, and I would strongly echo that sentiment. Unless you have experience working with delicate electronics and are comfortable disassembling a phone, it's best to leave this to a qualified technician. Incorrect installation can easily damage the motherboard or other components, potentially turning a repair project into an expensive paperweight. The product description highlights the precise cutouts and interfaces, ensuring a perfect fit for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is crucial for proper functionality and prevents any potential issues with connectivity or component alignment. A poorly fitting motherboard can lead to all sorts of problems, so it's reassuring to see that attention has been paid to this detail. In terms of functionality, this replacement motherboard promises to restore your phone to its normal operating condition. If your Note 10 Plus is experiencing issues like boot loops, random shutdowns, or complete failure to power on, a faulty motherboard is a likely culprit. Replacing it with this unlocked board could breathe new life into your device, saving you the cost of buying a new phone. It's important to double-check that this motherboard is compatible with your specific Galaxy Note 10 Plus model. This particular unit is designed for the US version with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Using it with an incompatible model could lead to unforeseen problems. Overall, the unlocked motherboard replacement appears to be a solid option for repairing a damaged Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The use of quality PCB material, precise design, and potential to restore full functionality make it a worthwhile consideration. Just remember to prioritize professional installation to avoid any potential pitfalls. If you're comfortable with phone repair or know a skilled technician, this motherboard could be the key to reviving your beloved Note 10 Plus.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.